Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. O.P. Verma from Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. Today we are going to talk on module types of human values from paper Human Values and Indian Ethos. After studying this module, you will be able to understand origin and emergence of human values, relevance of values, types of values, origin and emergence of values. The origin of human values can be considered from various sources, and also these values emerge out of different humans engaged in their respective thought process. But values which are considered as constructive in nature have always come out from a pure, peaceful, and calm mind, which is again cultivated through various methods. Major four methods which are believed as the ancient and traditional methods of mind cultivation and purification are as follows. Janan Yoga, path of knowledge. Number 2, Raja Yoga, path of mind control. Number 3, Shakti Yoga, path of devotion. Number 4, Karma Yoga, path of action. Moving step by step from one stage to another, it is better to understand that human values are shaped and enhanced by going through these four stages. From the path of knowledge to mind control, then mind control to devotion, and then devotion to action. Values are the resultant residue of each phase. Therefore, these entire paths facilitate human being to develop a pure and serene mind. It is only the inner purified mind of the individual from where values are developed, which as a result forms a basis for managerial effectiveness everywhere. Jnana Yoga, Raja Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, and Karma Yoga, all these stages lead an individual towards higher, advanced, and enhanced human stages and open a door to get the vision of one's own spirit or purified consciousness, which you can call in simple terms the inner mind. An individual got to be in touch with his inner mind only in silence or during meditation. It is only this time we get to be in touch with our divine spirit which resides within us. The inner voice can only be heard in the form of inspiration or intuitive purified mind. Thus, the origin and emergence of human values can be solely contributed to the presence of peaceful and well cultivated human mind. Relevance of values. Thus, value can be defined as a belief on which an individual opt as well as act by its own preference. The word value itself means giving due importance to a thing, object, or concept. As far as human beings are concerned, each and every individual holds different sort of values. They differ from person to person and it is more relative in nature. There are many of the cultural values that come to us from our ancestors. Culture, on the other side, is defined as the shared beliefs and values within a specific group which define them what's right, wrong, good, and bad. Transcultural human values. Transcultural values can be defined as the values that are similar in practice among different cultures throughout the whole world. These can be categorized as universal values which are followed in the similar manner across the globe and therefore considered as universal in nature. Some of the transcultural values are fruitful for the effective and efficient management are unbiasedness, loyalty towards workers, cooperation, transparency, objectivity, discipline, inspiration, social responsibility, managing interpersonal conflict. Developing values among individuals are very essential for managers in any organization. Taking this into consideration, it is very essential for the organization top managers to work rigorously for the development of transcultural values in management can be reflected in the following points. Number one, credibility among stakeholders. Value system, if implanted within the organization, helps to build up a feeling of trust and credibility among the stakeholders of the business entity. There are different parties who are directly or indirectly linked with the business or have interest in knowing working of the business entity. They can be suppliers, employees, customers, societies, etc. To satisfy all these parties, instinct is the major task. Implementing credible value system like transparency and integrity helps to build a credible relationship of the organization with its stakeholders. Number two, promoting basic human values. Promoting transcultural values itself nurtures basic human values. A manager holds such position that he or she knows that its decision can affect thousands of individuals. Therefore, there will not be any space for him or her to be biased. Facilitate decision making. A well established value system helps the management in taking effective and accurate decisions. Another point of distinction is that it suggests the management to take decision keeping in view the interest of public, employee, owner, and company's long-term good itself. Earn profit. With the proper facilitation of these transcultural values, companies will earn profit. A company which is totally inspired by transcultural values and give due consideration to them will surely be a profitable one. Objectivity. A well established value system in the organization helps to establish clear objectives for the firm. The whole organization gets a clear picture of the objective that even a layman can understand them. Number six, self discipline. Transcultural values also help to cultivate self discipline within individuals. The important task here for the individual is to have a control on one's own mind. A manager should be capable enough to take organizations related decisions with types of values. There are variety of values and ethics present in the present society. These different types and kinds of values can be classified as follows. Number one, individual values. As the name itself signifies, individual values are such which is directly concerned to the development of human personality. It targets individual norms of recognition and protection of the human personality, such as honesty, loyalty, and honor. Collective values. Collective values are concerned with the society at large. Values connected with the norms of equality, justice, solidarity, and sociability are known as collective values. Intrinsic values. These can be called as fundamental values to life and are directly related with the core goal of life. In the hierarchy of human values, these values stand at the highest place. and are superior to all other values of life. Instrumental values. Those values which facilitate to achieve an individual's intrinsic values can be classified as instrumental values. Number 5, terminal values. The end goals that an individual desires to achieve in his life are known as terminal values. Dominant values. Values which are on priority in one's own agenda can be identified as dominant values. Number 7, personal values. Values which are deeply connected with a person is known as personal values. Number 8, family values. One can simply say family as a social institution which is based on certain universally defined value system. Number 9, socio-cultural values. The very foundation of our society is based upon some sort of socio-cultural values, and hence it survives on these accepted values only. Number 10, material values. Material values call for need of human being regarding things required for human survival and existence. Number 11, spiritual values. Spiritual values are connected purely to the non-material aspects in our lives. That is, these are concerned with spiritual hunger and growth. Number 12, moral values. These values constitute attitude and behavior that a society considers essential for coexistence, order, and general well-being. These values help us to observe minimum level of value system expected in our society. Theoretical values. This kind of value typically focuses on adopting a critical and rational approach to any problem. These are related to the basic system of truth and rational conduct of individual. Number 14, aesthetic values. Softer values of goodness are termed as aesthetic values, and all these come from grace, poise, harmony, and emphasize the artistic aspect of one's life. Number 15, economic values. Basic foundational ethical conducts in the field of economics or commerce are called economic values. Number 16, social values. Values which are generated as well as minimally expected by the society can be classified as social values. Next, human value. Values that basically targets and promotes human growth and development are known as human values. Next, disvalue. Values which demoralize and undermine the human growth and development can be termed as disvalue. The origin of human values can be considered from various sources, and also these values emerge out of from different humans engaged in their respective thought process. But values which are considered as constructive in nature have always come out from a pure, peaceful, and calm mind, which is again cultivated through various methods. Moving step by step from one stage to another, it is better to understand that human values are shaped and enhanced by going through these four stages. From the path of knowledge to mind control, then mind control to devotion, and then devotion to action. Values are the resultant residual of each phase. Therefore, these entire paths facilitate human being to develop a pure and serene mind. Transcultural values can be defined as the values that are similar in practice among different cultures throughout the world, whole world. These can be categorized as universal values which are followed in the similar manner across the globe and therefore considered as universal in nature. The important point here needs to be mentioned is that these values are very helpful for the management. Thank you.